Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure Omnisphere is authorized and loaded inside your DAW. This avoids missing disk voice errors. Once loaded, open the browser and navigate to the multi and layer sections so you can add links. Now, press the menu button and choose Patch Browser or the equivalent. This exposes slots where links are created. You do this because linking requires visible targets. Without the browser open, you can't route sources into the destination slots. Next, select the exact parameter you want to control, say filter cutoff, so you're targeting the right destination. Then open Omnisphere's mod matrix or link dialog and click Add or Create Link. Choose your source from LFOs, envelopes, macro knobs, or MIDI CC. Drag or click to assign and set the depth amount. This determines how strongly the source changes the destination. You do this because precise routing and depth keep modulation musical, and finally, refine each link by adjusting polarity, min/max range, and smoothing so movements aren't abrupt. This makes modulation feel intentional. Then, if you want hands-on control, use MIDI Learn to map a hardware knob or assign a DAW automation lane to a macro. If a link doesn't respond, double-check MIDI channel routing, plug-in automation settings, and that the source is active. That troubleshooting step resolves most issues. If still broken, reload the multi or restart the plugin to reset internal routing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.